Heating and cooling bills can quickly skyrocket if you don't have a systematic method for controlling your HVAC, heating, ventilation, air conditioning system, which is why you want a smart thermostat. This gadget gives you one of the most hands-off ways to combat cost and conquer comfort. It can monitor the temperature in your home, automatically make adjustments based on your schedule, and allow you to turn up the heat or air conditioning remotely. The best smart thermostats will keep you and your home's heating and cooling system in sync and work so seamlessly that you'll forget how much work it's doing behind the scenes. Number 1. Google Nest Learning Thermostat. The Nest thermostat was a phenomenal success years before Google acquired its parent company, and it's still the best option based on our hands-on testing. Instead of relying on touch controls, which can be finicky and harder to use for less tech-savvy, you turn the temperature up and down by twisting the thermostat's outer ring. You'll feel resistance and hear the sound of a click every time you increase or decrease the temperature. This is a big user experience win and easy to explain to folks staying at your place while you're away. Setting up this thermostat took about a half hour, which included the time it took to remove the old thermostat, screw in the Nest's backplate, plug the wires into said backplate, attach the Nest, and connect it to our Wi-Fi router. Google provides all the tools you'll need, a screwdriver, to install the thermostat yourself, and the included step-by-step instructions make said installation a breeze. Just make sure to have your home's Wi-Fi password handy since you'll need to input it during the setup process. Number 2. ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. If you want to control the temperature in a large home, your best bet is to use a smart thermostat that supports external sensors. This will ensure that every room of your place, even those furthest from the thermostat, will be heated or cooled evenly. The best option in this category is ecobee's Smart Thermostat Premium, and it isn't even close. The face of this thermostat is black, which makes the temperature, which is displayed in white, stand out. You'll be able to clearly see the current temperature at a glance and change it with a couple of taps. You can also make changes through ecobee's iOS or Android app. ecobee bundles its smart thermostat with a single sensor, but you can get more based on your home's needs. The sensor must be plugged into power but will wirelessly communicate data to the thermostat. Both the thermostat and sensor can also monitor the air quality in your room, which is a nice touch. If your smoke alarm goes off, this smart thermostat can detect it and notify your phone. Number 3. GE Sync Smart Thermostat. This smart thermostat is a little bigger than our other recommendations, but its value is undeniable if you don't mind its size. This is one of only 2 smart thermostats we're recommending that work with external sensors to provide consistent heating and cooling to every room of your home. GE doesn't bundle its smart thermostat with any sensors but only charges $17.99 for one. You could outfit several rooms with these sensors at that price without hitting the price of ecobee's smart thermostat. However, that one supports HomeKit, has Amazon's Alexa built in, and can sense smoke detectors, which are features this model lacks. Still, GE made smart design decisions, like making the front of its thermostat black so its temperature reading and controls are easy to see and manage. You can also access these settings through GE's iOS or Android app. While it doesn't work with Apple's HomeKit, this smart thermostat can be integrated into smart homes based on Amazon's Alexa or Google Assistant. Number 4. Amazon Smart Thermostat. Amazon's Smart Thermostat is an easy buy-in if you're all in on Alexa. It uses hardware developed by Honeywell Home, the consumer tech arm of a company that's been around for nearly 120 years. It has an all-white minimalistic industrial design, with a digital readout of the temperature featured front and center. We'd prefer it if the temperature color on the smart thermostat were a color rather than all white, but this won't matter if you control it using the app, iOS and Android, or through an Alexa-enabled smart speaker. Amazon offers this thermostat in 2 configurations, the only difference is that one comes with a C-wire adapter if your home doesn't have one. The C-wire, known as the common wire, provides your smart thermostat with a constant power source. Most newer homes have a C-wire running from the HVAC system to the thermostat, so this shouldn't be an issue. That said, it's nice that Amazon has an option for those who don't. Number 5. Mesa Smart Thermostat. This is the only smart thermostat designed exclusively for one type of heating system, but if you have underfloor heating, there's much to recommend. This is the smallest smart thermostat we're recommending, and its gray color will look understated but nice against almost any wall. We're pleased Mesa went with a gray body because it makes the temperature, displayed in white, easier to see. While we'd still prefer a colored display, we like that an arrow up and arrow down, used to change your home's temperature, are clearly visible and easy to tap. Of course, You also have complete control over the thermostat via an app on your phone, iOS and Android. The most important thing to understand is that this smart thermostat only works with heating systems, not cooling. So if you have central air, you'll have to look elsewhere. This won't be an issue if your home's cooling system comprises individual window air conditioning units.